In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit a video in Edpuzzle. Whether you want to trim it, add notes, or maybe insert questions before assigning it to your students, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your teacher account. Hover to the left side area of your dashboard and click the My Content, because this is where all your saved and created videos are stored. Now, find the video you want to edit, for example, this one, and open it. What will happen is you will be forwarded to the editor. As you can see on the top corner, you have the ability to edit this current version. If you do, you would notice that you have so many options here. Okay, so you can trim the video by sliding the handle. Okay, as you can see, you will having two options here. If you cut and delete the video events, or if you don't want to cut and keep the video events, it's up to you. I'm gonna skip this for now. Okay, and if you want to add the cut version, you can do so. And then on the voiceover, if you want to put in your voiceover, you can do that. For example, you can start recording. However, you would need to allow your microphone or speaker to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna skip that for now. Matter of fact, can also add questions here. You can add multiple choice question, a note, or an open-ended question. You have so many options. For example, we are going to add an open-ended question, and we can also add an image for that. Let's say I'm gonna drag my own file and then click the save button. You also have the ability to allow audio responses if you wanted. Click the save button. Now you can also rename that specific video that you edited, and then once you are happy, click the finish button. It's super simple, right? And basically that's it for today's video on how to edit a video here in Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.